Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shades of Madi. So today I'll be teaching you how I got this. This will be a very short video. So what I did was to bring in my overlay. Let me switch off all these ones. As you can see, my my page size is 2000 by 2000 pixel. Let me switch off all the text. You can see it's very simple, and so I brought in, let me switch this off also. So I brought in this my graded overlay. I got this image online. I brought it in at first. So what I did next was to create a brush around it. To as you can see this image right here, you can see that it's having this reflection here. So I decided to create my own reflection too. So what I did was to create a new layer, something like this. I create a new layer. On my keyboard I press B for brush. With my foreground color set to this color, as you can see, I gently tapped Ctrl Z. Let me increase my brush size. I can gently tap once, and I can also expand it by pressing Ctrl T. I can expand this, to give you that feel. You can decide to use any kind of design you want to use, but for me I used this to get my desired design. So you can, however, decide to resize it. Then on your keyboard press Ctrl J. You can bring this to this side, and to have that feel aligned. Then what I did next was to bring in my lady image. You can see I already worked on the image. I blended this side of the image, so looking too sharp. So I brought in this text, African vibes. So let me show you which font I used. So for this I used Couple Valentine regular for the font. Here. So for the FX, I use bevel and emboss, inner bevel, smooth, depth 303, size 250, soften 0, angle 90, altitude 53, vivid light, opacity 64, vivid light also, opacity 44. Then I went to satin. I used overlay color white. Overlay opacity is 9, distance is 11, and size is 71. You can decide to either work with this stuff, different types you get. So you can even change your gradient overlay. You can change it to any color you want, just to fit into your kind of specification. But for this one I use gold to get it. Then I added drop shadow, opacity 72, 73, blend mode multiply, distance 18, spread 0, size 27, noise 0. So that was exactly how I got this. This is a very simple design. It won't take much. Just download the PSD for free.